Yeah, come here, come here. Take a flight and come to Manchester to finish this delicious rice with me, okay? Hey guys, Merry Christmas! Let me be the first to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Before I move to what we have today, do you like my dressing? How do I look? Oh, I hope I look superb. Yeah, I know that. Okay, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the red button now and subscribe to Just and What TV. Help us, support us by subscribing, share this video, always watch my videos, share, like, comment. So guys, what am I sharing with you today? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare fried rice in a larger quantity. You know, now is Christmas season, so I'm going to be sharing with you how you can prepare a very large quantity of fried rice for your guests, for your family, for this Christmas season. Look at the ingredients we'll be using to prepare the delicious fried rice. We've got our rice, it's still fresh, we haven't washed it yet. And we've got our sliced carrots here mixed with my green beans, sliced both of them. I just add both of them together because I will cook both together. Then green peas, we've got our spring onions sliced, our green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper sliced. I've got 2 cubes, non-cubes, and bouillon here. I've got cinnamon and mixed spice here. I've got turmeric, curry powder, and masala powder here. I'm going to send the measurements I use in preparing everything in the description box. I've got my cooked sliced liver meat. I've got my plant butter. I've got my sunflower oil, and in here I have got my stock. You can see it. The stock, the rice in a bowl and wash with hot water. So guys, you can see the water is not clean. I'll start draining it. So I will start frying the rice. This way. You can never go wrong with this method. Keep stirring. Let's cook the rice a while before we start cooking. You see my rice, I'm still toasting it, and this rice is still toasting. Just keep toasted. So we're going to transfer it over to this. What about the water? You see, the rice is not cooked, so this will cook everything. Finish adding. See the water. So guys, as the rice is cooking on the lower burner, I'm using this one to prepare the veggies. So this is the oil I will use for the rice. I'm going to add water to it. That is why my oil is small. You can see. Adding spring onions now. We stir. my carrots and green peas. You see, my green peas. The reason why I'm adding everything together is because 3 of them are fresh. You can see my green peas is still fresh. But if you are using a frozen green peas, you have to wait a little for the carrots to cook a little before you add it. But you can see that this is strong, it's still strong. So everything has to cook together. You see, everything. In these veggies that are in here, we'll season it and add the butter. So I'm adding the remaining cube. This one I will add later. I'm gonna add the butter to this. We are not covering. I'm just leaving it and keep stir frying till it's well cooked. We are checking our rice. Don't turn around, if not the rice will burn, okay? You're going to add salt. Salt to taste.
Check up on the channel for your cooking perfection. Naija and worldwide dishes recipes are shown there. Subscribe to our channel today and click the notification button.
Don't cover this.
All our entire program
So while salt
packaged for you. Just
we are going to be adding the pepper to that. After that, we'll add the last and still little salt. Make sure you check your salt. I'm checking it. We're going to add the liver meats. We are going to check our rice to see if it has drained and combined both together. So can you see the water, little water? So it then I'll start adding these veggies. Okay. Yes.
the number 1 YouTube channel. You get all you want.
Okay. You need to combine all. You can never go wrong with this method of rice, fried rice. Honestly, guys, you can never go wrong.
If you want to improve on your cooking skills, you want to watch your life.
See the color of our fried rice. See how it's looking. Wow. When you cook this, honestly, and your measures after rice, I'll put a little butter on top because we party rice, you know.
In the kitchen, and she is killing it. Just and Word TV is the channel, the YouTube channel for you. What class recipes they are showing it. Relationships and parenting they are showing it. Live shows and party They
Wow,
are
the
showing
butter.
vlogs too.
They
They
have
are showing
omelette.
this is the best
So
channel
now
on
is the time
YouTube
to
that you can
stir
ever think of.
the
Bachelors
last
wanting
one.
to be good cooks.
This
Beautiful
delicious
ladies
rice
wanting
with
to be
me,
good
okay?
wives. Check up on the channel
Come
for your
around,
cooking
come around.
perfection.
I'm going to
Naija
make this
and
rice
worldwide
even
dishes
in a
recipes
larger pot.
are
Just follow
shown.
this
Subscribe to
method.
our channel today and click the notification button to
Guys,
enjoy all our enticing program that is packaged for you. Just on What TV, your #1 YouTube TV channel. Just on What TV. Oh, just for your easy meal ideas and cookies. Just on What TV. Oh, just on healthy recipe and the best chicken dinners. What TV. Oh, just on who makes your cooking so sweet and special.
delicious, delicious. Everything. Please, if you enjoyed this video, which I know you enjoyed and it's helpful, please kindly like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Turn your bell on so you always get subscribing by telling a friend to tell a friend. Okay, I love you guys and I will see you soon. God bless you.